Ciao friends! Let me introduce the Advanced DAX Training Day at SQLBits 2023. We're going to talk about DAX at an advanced level. You should already know how to write measures, calculate columns, calculate tables. You should already know the row context, the filter context, the context transition, the calculate function, because we will review these concepts in just less than one hour. And after that, we will spend time looking at more advanced evaluation context topics. We will see what the data lineage is. We will understand the impact of the expanded table. We will focus on how the relationships affect the evaluation also in complex scenarios, and how to avoid circular dependencies when we have relationships involved with calculated tables, calculated columns. We will also spend time understanding how to manipulate the data lineage in a productive way, and how to write good DAX code when we have different granularities in our model. So many topics in an entire training day. We will have fun and we will enjoy DAX.